When you share a Google Sheet, you can actually protect some of the cells so that those people that you share the sheet with can't accidentally delete some of the data, like for example on this one, the headers. So I have this document shared, and I do not want people to change these headers here. So I'm going to protect them. So I select those that I want to protect, and I come over here to Data, Protect Sheet and Ranges, and I can give this a title. I'll just title this Headers. Now I have range selected, and this is my range, Sheet 1, cells A1 through AE1. I could also, or I could protect the entire sheet except certain cells. So I could kind of do it backwards. Lock the whole thing down and then only unlock certain cells. I'm just going to worry about the range here first. So this is the ones I have selected. I'm going to set the permissions, and I could show a warning when editing the range. A pop-up, if somebody tries to change the name of one of the headers, a pop-up would pop up warning them what they're doing. But I'm going to restrict this, and I'm going to restrict it to custom, and this is me, I'm the owner, and this is my other account. I don't want my other account to be able to edit that. So I am going to uncheck that box. I'm going to click done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my my other account, open up this document, and now in my other account I should not be able to, I can't even see, when I tried to delete that, you're trying to edit a protected object, please contact the spreadsheet owner, which is on my other account. Now the account I share with can edit the rest of it, but not those headers at the top. So that's how you protect those ranges, or those cells that you don't want people changing when you share your spreadsheet with them.